Everyone, before we start today's video, I just wanted to let you all know that the lighting in the intro and outro of this video were not in my favor. I'm standing in my boy Brandon's garage where the lighting wasn't as bright as it was outside that day. And so pay no mind to my silhouette figure. The dialogue in it is still very crucial to the video. So I hope you're able to still find it enjoyable and informative. Let's go ahead and roll into the video. What is going on, Expeditioners? We're back at it again. Hey, I know we took last week off, just needed a little break from filming. Let me tell y'all, we got a ton of snow for Alabama. We got like 5.5 inches one day. The other day we got some flurries, but it had a lot of black ice out on the road. And it was really hard to film anything, especially relating to motorcycles. Now, I know you all have seen this bike here in the background. This is Brandon's MT07, and we're doing another sweet vid on it today. We got our boy Brandon here. Like I said, we're at his garage, and my buddy Alex that you'll probably see in the background. He's pretty cool. So, yeah.
I'm freaking packing time. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
You know, just got some nice Renthal road. Got some lows.
So we are getting rid of Brandon's stock MT07 bars because the stock bars are fine. The MT07 is probably one of the best, like, all around bikes. Oh yeah, he also got some new grips. Pro grips. Sweet. There you go, mate. All right, so the MT07 all around great bike. You really don't have to do anything to it right out the gate, right out the box. It's an awesome bike. But one of the things immediately that I noticed after riding them is that they could do with just a slightly wider handlebar, to give more confidence in the curves and stuff, especially for newer riders. Get a little bit more stable hand width as opposed to the scrunched up. You know, it's not like clip-ons or something. These are just kind of too narrow bars. So we're gonna be throwing some new bars on, and here we go. All right, Brandon, now you're ready for some clip-ons.
Yeah.
Just go ahead and make this a full-on AMA bike.
You know what we do with old bars?
We do with old bars.
Oh, we don't ever need those again.
So I don't know if this is a universal thing from manufacturers, but way to go Yamaha for putting reusable zip ties on your cable management. Really nice. All right, sweet.
I like that position.
Almost got it back together. Got Brandon's new grips on. Gonna get some bar ends later. These look good. And this is really the added width that you're gonna want on your MT07. I mean, it's at least in our opinion what the bike needed from the get-go. All right, guys, just another thing to note. When doing this, Yamaha has these little holes that you'll notice are in the factory bar on both sides, in which they're for your control modules here. They have these little plastic little set pins or whatever. You can see one right there. You got one on every single one of control modules and throttle cable assembly. So all we're having to do there is just shave them down, and then you can fasten the control modules back together on your new aftermarket bars. So just something we've ran into that we weren't aware that was going to be a hang up or anything, because when you try to clamp them down without shaving them off, then they won't, you know, the seams won't come together exactly. So if you got a Dremel, shoot, even just a file, or if you got a drill bit or something that can shave them down, that's what you're going to want to do to get the fitment back to OEM. It is. I was just... You need to adjust anything? Pretty good? Cool. Alright, so you guys can see here we got the new bars set up on, and even though they're wider and everything, you still got plenty of room against the tank. I mean, depending on how you got the pitch angle and stuff set up. Good to go. So if you got yourself an MT07, I would highly recommend throwing some wider bars on it, but it's, you know, your bike. You do whatever you want to with it. These are the Renthal Roads Lows. So if you're wondering what spec these are, I'll drop them down below in the comments. Hey, just want to give a quick shout out to all of those who were able to secure their very first exclusive AP Expedition t-shirts. It was an absolute blasting to make these for you all, and I definitely plan on having more merch in the future, and hopefully a website. One day have a website with merch and cool photos and things like that, where you can buy it as you need it, and we won't have to do so many exclusive pre-sales, and that way you can get stuff as it comes out a whole lot easier. So anyways, hope you're enjoying the shirts. Now back to the video. Thank you all again for checking out this week's video, and if you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and drop a thumbs up for it, and we'll catch y'all next week in the next video. Peace. Hey.